Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today is we're gonna put all the lifters in and clean them off, put some oil on them and set them in there. And then this little spring with this little piece here, it'll come out. Gotta put that in with the front cover. Just basically you pull this big bolt out, and it pushes in there, and then spring pressure, and you bolt it back on. Honestly, I really have no clue what it does. Something probably with the oil, because it's channels through there. But still waiting on the head gasket and this one push rod, because this one is bent. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, pretty bent. So but let's go do that. I definitely would recommend assembly lube for where the push rods go and stuff. And I actually put assembly lube on the camshaft when I put it in, so the bottom part here where it touches the lobe on the cam, there's already oil down there, so it'll be fine. Alright, we're going to torque the head bolts to this. Gosh dang, must be a loud plane coming by. Alright, anyway. The first torque spec is 35 foot-pounds, then do 65 and then 100 is final. So just start in the middle and work our way out. Now I will probably do injectors and injection lines, and I will do the rocker arms and push rods, and then fuel filter housing, fuel filter, air intake, and the exhaust manifold, which I have to get new bolts. And then we will put oil in it and try to start it. she runs. I guess that'll be it for this video. Hopefully next video I'll be slapping it back on the tractor. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.